If you're trying to build your credit or just keep track of where you stand, SoFi's free credit score monitoring tool makes it super easy. It gives you weekly updates on your trans union VantageScore 3.0. Totally free, no strings attached. Once you log into the SoFi app, you'll see clear dashboard showing your credit score and the key factors that affect it, like your payment history, credit usage, and length of credit. It breaks everything down so it's easy to understand if you are not a finance expert. One of the best parts, you'll get real time alerts if something changes on your credit report, like a new account or a hard inquiry. Uh, that way, you can catch suspicious activity fast and stay in control. Plus, SoFi gives you personalized tips to improve your score, like paying down debt or limiting new credit applications. It's a smart way to monitor your progress if you're working towards a loan or mortgage or just better financial habits. So, SoFi only pulls from TransUnion, so your score might differ slightly on other platforms, but it's still a great way to track your credit over time. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and drop your questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you.